Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. So we're about to make a You've Got Guts chocolate cinnamon banana shake. Well, first we're gonna make some almond milk. I did save this bottle. There was juice in here, so I cleaned out the bottle. And recycling. I already have my almonds and my distilled water here. So we're going to, let me see if I can angle this down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to use the wide mouth jar so I can strain it a little. I've showed you how I've done this before, but if you've never watched my videos, you're going to see how I do that. Let's see. Let's just move this over a little bit. I don't always strain it because I don't mind the little nut pieces, but if you mind, then here is the solution. Okay, and there's quite a bit in there. You could use it to make some type of candy or something, but I never do. You could even put it in your composting or something like that, but again, I live in an apartment, so we have a dumpster. I would love to be able to recycle it though. But I don't have a desire to make candy out of it or anything sweet really. Maybe if I think of something. If you have any suggestions, I'll be more than happy to recycle. But as for now, so I strained my milk, my almond milk. Now, if you want to sweeten it, you can always add honey. You can also add agave or maple syrup. I usually don't sweeten it. Now this mix, you really just need a scoop. You don't have to put it in the blender, but I like to put it in the blender. And so I'm basically going to take this and pour it back in here. So let's see if we do that. And this is the max liquid line. It's a little bit above that. All right. So now it's a little bit under. I had it tilted a little bit. So now we're going to take our scoop. Sometimes I add frozen or fresh banana. We're going to take a scoop and we're going to put it in. And going to use the blender again. Right, and you can add vanilla to your milk. You can add nutmeg to your milk. You can add cinnamon to your milk. You can add sea moss. But I am using the chocolate, cinnamon, banana, Vega protein powder, and it is vegan. Oh, plant-based. Sorry, so it says plant-based here. And I like to give it a little shake, and that's what it looks like when you shake it a little bit. Okay, and then I will turn the blender back on. Usually the blender goes for a minute. Don't really have to go for a minute because, again, you can just shake it and it will mix very well, but I like to blend it a little bit. And then I like to get a straw and enjoy. So if you decide to make this or something similar and make your own plant-based milk, this is a great way to get started. You can add, like I said, some type of frozen fruit, whatever you like. It doesn't have to be bananas. It could even be something more fruity, like raspberries, whatever you like. Whatever you like to eat with chocolate or banana, you can add to that. Okay? Love y'all. Hope this was helpful. Later. Mwah.